Hey guys, I'm Mr. Mike. Well, welcome to the Houses of Kidoo. This is our gamification system. It's an old one. It was last year's, but doesn't matter because it's exactly what I want to show you. This has been made in Google Sites. It looks complicated, but it's not. Let's go have a look. Basic idea is to show off your badges, the houses, talk about it, show off your badges, yeah? Have a leaderboard, which is stuck in here. Okay, it's loading, it's coming up. Yeah, here's my leaderboard. Show off my quests, my missions, and whatever I've done. So if you go to sites.google.com, you can actually make a new one, and it's quite easy to make pages. Just add them. It's quite easy to drag and drop stuff. Maybe another image, click, upload an image, select an image. You can drag a lot of things. Before I dragged a Google Sheets in the pages section. You can add a new page down here and it just creates it, and it's ready-made, and it's quite cool. One of the things I like about Google Sites, sorry, it didn't load. One of the things I like about Google Sites are the ready-made templates. If you go down here and click on choose a template, you've got heaps of cool templates. I mean, heaps of cool templates, yeah? Look at this one. This is a team. It's already made. So, Google Sheet. Google Sheet could be used to store, let me just have a look at this. A Google Sheet could be used to show your leaderboards, your badges, and your teams. Basically, I just put up the setup. I have 4 teams. I can write the names manually, or in the useful resources section, I'll show you a video on how to create an automated list. So if you've got like over 100 students, you don't want to sit there not writing. You have to write the names or copy paste them from somewhere. I bet you have them. But you can throw them into a list, and they will automatically make 2, 3, 4, 5 teams using that Google Sheets. So moving along. Oh, here, I suggest here putting in the email, because there are really cool add-ons where you can actually directly send emails from here if you don't want to use your school platform. Okay, cool. So these are all the experience collector points. Let me just show you a Google form that I made. Name, surname, date, award, the class, the badge. You have to manually update the list. The points awarded. Reason for the points, it's a badge, and if you want your comment, submit. It comes into here. And what I did here basically is I made a pivot table from here. And pivot table, what does it do? It's like a table that collects all the names as a column in descending order, and I just make it to sum up all the points. And you can add various ideas, like AD. Well, here at the moment, I've actually hidden a few columns. Unhide. You can have the badge, the total amount of points from badges, total amounts of points from leaderboards, or you can just have it directly without and just have a leaderboard. You can copy this straight into your leaderboard page by choosing insert sheets, and you select the Google Sheet, and it automatically loads and opens. So I hope that was handy. Again, create a form which houses your elect points or your credit points, or whatever you want to call them, experience points. You make a pivot table with the data. Oh, you have a list of badges. So you can actually show this, you can print it, you can upload it to the Google Sites as well. And you have a list of your teams. Like I said, you can have a column of email, or you can hide the column and show the data you want. Okay, I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.